And please show me your hands! Show me your hands now! What's your name?
Jack.
Come out here. Against the wall. Against the wall now. Is there anyone else in there with you? Who else is in there? Be straight with me now. Garen, you there, face the wall now. Walk towards me, nothing in your hands. Slowly.
I got my shoes.
That wall there, turn around, face the wall, hands on the wall. Right, hands in the small of your back.
Which one?
Hands in the small of your back now. Both hands. Plastic bag. Inside that plastic bag was a number of Ziploc bags which drew my attention with the possibility of drugs. Also in the bag was a white, I don't know if you can see, there's a white jewellery box, jewellery style box, and inside that was rolled up tissue which upon picking up was quite weighty. Initially thought it might be drugs, and whilst looking inside without touching them I can see that there's three what look to be 9mm or pistol style bullets.